Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be talking about 16 uses you can use for a concealer. Ooh, I'm gonna do this for a thumbnail. You know what? I think I should just like put the dots now, but I don't want to make up on my face. Okay. So, if you are interested in what I have to say, please stay tuned. You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. Okay, so number one, if you run out of foundation, boo, concealer got you. Mix a little bit of concealer and your moisturizer, and voila, you got yourself a natural skin glow. That's only when you don't want to do too much, like if you don't want to put too much on your face. But that's another way. You can also use a concealer to cover your bags. You don't need it to go to the groceries anymore, honey. Walmart got you. Kroger's got you. Costco got you, okay? Prime your eyelids with your concealer, so you can, basically priming your eyelids is to get like a very vibrant eyeshadow. If you're looking for like a really vibrant eyeshadow and you know just putting it on your eyelids isn't gonna help, make sure you put a concealer. Make sure you put a lot too, especially depending on the intensity that you want. That's the amount that you're gonna put. You put a lot and you get a vibrant one. If you put little, you don't get that much. Okay, cover your zits with a green or yellow concealer. Okay, use concealer on your body. You can use concealer on your body. If you didn't know, now you know. Okay, as long as it's the same shade as you, even the one for your face, as long as it's the same shade as you, you can use it. Don't go lighter, because I know a lot of people say, oh, when you're trying to do this, you go a little bit lighter. That only counts when you're doing your eyebrows and when you're trying to highlight. Okay, highlight your eyelids with concealer. See, there you go. Load up on your concealer correction. So for me, concealer correction formula. For me, I only use a red. Is this red or orange? Whichever color this is, because I am dark is orange. Because I am dark skin. Okay, I'm not light skin. I'm not brown skin. I am dark skin. Okay, so for a dark skin tone, you use the orange. Combine your eye cream, highlighter, and concealer to make a max puffy eyes. Okay. Blot your concealer to prevent caking or creasing. Don't forget that. Listen to me. I'm telling you, this is facts. Hide eyeliner mistakes with concealer. So like if you do like a wing and you mess it up, honey, you don't have to wipe it out. Concealer got you. If you're depressed, concealer got you. You lose your job, concealer got you. Your mama throw you out, concealer got you. Your baby daddy is acting up, concealer got you. Don't play. Call concealer today. Okay? Period. Line your lips with concealer. Don't forget that. If you're trying to get like that big lip effect, honey, you could do that too. Plump your lip with concealer. So you can take the, I'm gonna definitely put some pictures on so you can definitely see. But you take the concealer and you put it right in the middle, and then you just go to town. Reshape your lips with concealer. Like I said, if you want to get the big lips, you do that. When you put your lipstick or your lip gloss, it would look like a illusion, like your lips are big, even if they're small. Line your brows with concealer. That everybody knows that. Come on now, you can't tell me you didn't know that one. Okay, contour. See, now what you didn't know is you can also contour with concealer. Yes, I said it. Contouring. You can contour with your concealer. Just make sure you get a darker shade, though. Don't use the same concealer that you use to highlight or to fix your eyebrows with. No, you go a shade or two darker. Make sure it suits you first, okay? Line your collarbone with concealer. So you know, like the effect. So like when people, because I know a lot of people want to show that they have like collarbone. I don't know how or why somebody would want that, but hey, if you want that, sis, if you want that effect, that picture is gonna be right up here or here, and you're gonna see how that girl did it. So yeah, if you like this video, please give this video a fat thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Comment down below for any video that you want me to do, because I'm gonna get it done, period. Okay, let's get this channel to 1,000 likes. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers, girl. I know we can do that. We can do it. We are family. Join the family gang. Join the GiGi squad. Period. Okay. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I appreciate each and every one of you that take the time to watch my videos. And I really hope that I am entertaining you and it's not just like a boring video. If it is boring, please let me know as well, because then I'm gonna make it entertaining for y'all. Because this is my job, honey. Period. Okay. So, be positive, be blessed, be beautiful, and most importantly, be you, honey. Period. Okay. Bye, guys. Have a good night. Bye.
I don't want to go right now. I don't want to go, baby. You're my home right now. Don't leave me alone.